So today we're going to talk about replacing a rain sensor. As you can see up on top of the gutter here is the rain sensor. If you've bought a new home and have an irrigation system, you may see something like this on your gutter and wondering what the heck it is. It's a rain sensor for the irrigation system. They have batteries in them, and we'll show you how we replace those today. So this is the sensor portion of the rain sensor. This is what actually goes outside where it collects the rain, and once enough rain has fallen on it, it shuts down the system. And it has to transmit a radio wave back to the controller. And there are these little batteries inside the sensor which need to be replaced. And it depends. Typically it's best to replace them every year. Sometimes they'll last for 2 years. But generally speaking, it seems like we only get a season out of them. It's just simple. Opening the compartment, putting the battery in, and closing it back up. Hardest part's getting the ladder out and getting up on the gutter to remove it. Now that the battery's been replaced, we'll double check and make sure it's synced up with the controller. And once it's synced up, we'll hang it back up on the gutter. Is there a light on the bottom of that one, Chad?
Well, if it's dark enough, you can usually see it. Yes, there is.
So it's got a little green light telling them whether or not it's connected. So we're replacing the rain sensor back up onto the gutter. A couple things important here. One, it doesn't have to be 3 stories up in the air to work properly. It's best to get it down where we can get to it easily, but it does need to be out where the rain can fall on it. Sometimes I've seen people put them on the side of the building underneath eaves, where when it rains, the rain doesn't hit the rain sensor. This is a perfect location because it's right out in the open, so any rainstorm comes along will hit the rain sensor, and it's also within fairly close proximity of the controller, so it always has a good signal.